Hello everyone. In this video we are going to show you how easy it is to request files from external users in Triofox. These external users are not necessarily company employees, but sometimes can be customers. The company employee might need a file from them sometimes, and in this video we will show you how easy and efficient Triofox makes requesting a file. The first step is to log in as a Triofox user in the web portal. Once you log in as a user, it will take you to the share where you have access to. Once you are in the file browser, you can simply right-click on a folder and select Request a File. Once you click on Request a File, you can see a magnitude of options. On the bottom left, you can see Invite User to a Share, Create a Public Link, and you can also see who it is shared with. For more options, you can click on the settings gear on the right-hand side. For improved security, you can add a password. You can also have an expiration date, add notes, only show the upload box, and also even collect uploader information. Once you configure your settings, you can type in an email and request a file. Now we will show you how easy it is from the other perspective. From the other side of things, all you have to do is go into your email and click on the link. Once you click on the link, all you have to do is select the files and press upload. If you accidentally forgot to upload a file that you meant to, you can simply select restart and start the process over again. Now that we have uploaded the files that we were meant to, we can go back into the Triofox web portal as the original user, go back into that folder where we requested a file, and we will see the files that we just uploaded. Now we can log back in as the original user. As you can see, we're in the file browser. The folder is there, and there's the files we just uploaded. This same process can be done very easily through the Triofox Windows client. For more help, visit triofox.com, and thank you for watching this video.